The Apenet 8.1-inch CarPlay screen offers a seamless wireless experience, allowing you to connect your iOS or Android devices effortlessly without the need for cables. With its advanced 2000-pixel high-definition clarity, the device features a 2000-pixel front dash camera and a 1080-pixel rear camera, ensuring ultra-clear visibility and reducing blind spots. The voice control and split display features enable hands-free operation for calls, navigation, and music, while providing real-time monitoring of camera feeds. Mirror link and GPS navigation allow for wireless streaming of apps and flexible routing, making it a versatile tool for modern drivers. The 1080-pixel backup camera aids in safer parking with easy installation, compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Apenet provides a professional support team offering a 2-year replacement and lifetime tech support, ensuring any issues are swiftly addressed.